My name is Deb Harrison and this is Woodbury Works. The plowing process starts when we get the call in. We have 19 different plow operators to be able to complete the 780 miles of road that the city covers. With that, we have 21 dump trucks, front end loader that goes out, and pickup plows as well. We go out and we clear the roadways, and snowfall dictates what we do to the road. So depending on the amount of snow that has fallen or the precipitation, depends on what we will do for a process to maintain it. For residentials, we typically plow them at 2 inches, but again, depending on what the precipitation is, dictates whether we will do it below 2 inches or not. The city is divided by priorities for our roads. So we have mainline priorities, which are plowed first, and that's going to be your Tamarack, your Muhlenberg, and then you have your residential priorities, which are going to be more main lines throughout the development, and then we have the residential roads as well. Those are last priority as long as we can get the main lines opened up. The city has a policy that 80% of the time it would like to plow the entire city at least once in 8 hours. Things that would be helpful for residents to know are that parking laws for the city of Woodbury, which is anything that's more than 2 inches of snow on the road, all cars should be removed from there. Also, there is no parking as a city ordinance between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. any day of the week, whether it's snowed or not. And then trash cans, please make sure that your trash cans are behind the curb line so we don't have to go around them. One of the things I like plowing for the city of Woodbury is that it's a team effort and we all have the goal of making the roads safe and passable for people. Thanks for watching Woodbury Works.